morning, teachers and my all dear friends. Today I like to speak a few words about Diwali. Diwali is a festival of light. It's celebrated all over India with great joy and happiness. Diwali is a famous festival of Hindu. It's come October or November. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Ayushi from Standard 7 and I am going to dedicate a speech on Save Deepavali. Many festivals are celebrated throughout the years in India, where people of all religions celebrate their various festivals according to their culture. Deepavali is one of the most famous festivals, important festival, traditional and cultural festival of Hindu. The festival that is celebrated in other part of the world is known as Festival of Lights. This is celebrated in the month of Kartik according to Hindu calendar, and according to English calendar this is celebrated in month of October and November. There is a legend attached with this festival. It is believed that Lord Rama was come Ayodhya after defeating Ravan. People of Ayodhya lit up diyas to welcome Lord Rama, and actually the festival Deepavali symbolizes the victory of good over evil. Deepavali is a very special festival for the Hindu. Houses, streets, shops are cleaned. Firecrackers are burnt. Child get very much lots of joy. Lord Ganesh and Goddess Lakshmi are worshipped this day for prosperity and wealth. In Deepavali is a festival where people hard feelings aside try forgetting their problems and enjoy this day to the fullest day. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy Deepavali. Save Deepavali.
Hi everyone, this is Arun Kaushik from class 7B having admission number 4885. I have prepared a short speech on Diwali which I am going to present at you, so please listen carefully. Diwali is a festival of lights. It is commonly celebrated across India. Diwali marks the returning of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. We decorate our houses with lighted candles and rangolis. We worship God Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi on this day of Diwali. Children light up crackers and enjoy them. We wear new clothes and share sweets and gifts with friends and relatives. We get a long holiday of Diwali to celebrate Diwali and other related festivals. We go and have a long shopping of Diwali on the day of Dhanteras. I enjoy Diwali and happy Diwali to all of you.
Everyone present here. Today I am here to deliver my speech on Diwali. Diwali is one of India's biggest and main festival. It means of Diwali is rose and light lamp. This festival is the festival of lights. Hindus celebrate it with very much enjoyment. In this festival, people light up their houses and diyas. People worship Lord Ganesh and Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and worship. Diwali or Deepavali is a main regional festival. It is the victory of good over evil. People celebrate Diwali across the world from different reasons and occasions. The light up of diyas, candles and bursting the crackers in the part of Diwali celebration. Deepavali or Diwali is a festival not only among Hindus community but also by peoples of other region. Deepavali is usually a 5 days celebration and the sale of gold and new clothes during the time of skyrocket every year in India. Crossing the Hindus calendar, Diwali is celebrated on the 15th day of Kartik. Crossing the Indian calendar is usually celebrated in the month of.
Good afternoon, teachers and my friends. I am Aryan Vishwakarma from class 7D. Today I am going to give a speech on Diwali festival. Diwali is a festival of light. It is celebrated on the day when Rama had returned to Ayodhya after living for 14 years on forest and killing after Ravana. People of Ayodhya welcomed him by lighting diyas. We also light candles and diya on Diwali. I like to shop crackers, sweets and gifts with my family. Happy Diwali, safe Diwali. Thank you.
Good evening to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself Sanskriti Jain, admission number 649 from class 7. I am here to deliver a speech on Diwali is a festival of lights. There are many festivals celebrated in India. Of all those festivals, Diwali is a very special one. We celebrate Diwali in the month of Kartik every year. This festival is celebrated all over India with great joy and happiness. Diwali is a festival of lights and it symbolizes the victory of light over the darkness of good over evil. Diwali is the most important festivals in the Hindu and Jainism culture. We clean our houses and homes in the month of Diwali and buy sweets, new dresses, etc. and decorated our house with candles, diya, lamps, etc. There are 5 important days of Diwali. The first day is called as Dhanteras. The second day is called as Choti Diwali. And the third day is the main Diwali. And the fourth day is called as Nutan Varsh. And the fifth day is the last day of Diwali and it is called as the Bhai Dooj. In this festival, we burst crackers, but I think we should not burst crackers as the pollution is also growing up. We should always play a happy and a safe Diwali. Thank you and happy Diwali to you all.
Morning, dear respected principal, teachers and all dear my friends. I am Anubhava from the standard 7th A. Today I am here to tell about the speech on Diwali. Diwali is a festival of light. It is celebrated all over the India with great happiness and joy. Diwali is celebrated on Amavasya of Kartik month every year. It is a celebration as victory of Lord Rama to Ayodhya to returning Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. During this festival, people worship Lord Ganesha, Goddess Lakshmi in evening hours. People decorate with their houses, diyas, candles, and they make rangoli in the front of their houses. Various sweet dishes are prepared on this occasion. People exchange their gifts with their relatives and friends. Diwali is the most loved festival and we enjoy it very much. Thank you.
The festive of light and Diwali has arrived. If Diwali is also your favorite festival like all of us, it's time to sit back and relax and say warm wishes to your loved ones. Good morning everyone, myself Pushkar Vadekar of Standard 7D and today I am standing before you to tell a speech on this Diwali. Diwali is a very happy occasion which we celebrate by beautiful diyas and amazing fireworks. This Diwali we should be more careful with how much fireworks we burst since the environment is being affected very badly by this and hence we should come together and help reduce the noise and air pollution caused by this. This will be the best thing from our side to save the environment and hence we will be more responsible and safe. Wishing you all a safe and happy Diwali. Thank you.
I am Abhinandan Roy from Standard 7D Grizzly Vidyalaya. Today I am going to share with you some safety measures while celebrating Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Definitely there will be lights and crackers, but a bit of safety will go a long measure in our celebration and total enjoyment of our Diwali. Number 1, do not light crackers indoor. Number 2, do not use short fuse crackers. Number 3, do not bend over your anar or your rocket bomb. Number 4, always wear cotton clothes while lighting the cracker. Number 5, always use a long stick or full jhadi while lighting the cracker. Last but not the least, Diwali crackers pollute our environment and also harm our ozone layer. So let's use the crackers moderately. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and safe happy Diwali.
I am Kanaya Sharma, presented here to tell the speech on the topic Diwali. Diwali is a festival that embarks on the month of Kartik. On this day, people light up their houses with diyas and candles. Sweets are distributed among relatives and friends, and people wear new clothes and they worship Goddess Lakshmi for their wealth and wisdom. Today, children burst crackers to express their happiness and joy, and people go to each other's houses to wish them happy Diwali. And as we know, now it is time of COVID. We have to take some safety measures, like we have to maintain the social distancing, wear the masks, and sanitize our hands by the time. So we should make it a safe Deepavali and a happy Deepavali also. On this day, we should bring a smile on the poor kids and poor man by giving them gifts and sweets. So let's make it a happy Deepavali and a safe Deepavali. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Kumari Khushi, a student of class 7A, standing in front of you all to declare a speech on Diwali. Diwali is the most brightest festival in the world. People of every religion celebrates Diwali. Most signification that this festival indicates the victory of light over darkness. It also indicates the victory of good over evil. On Diwali, we make a rangoli and welcome our goddess Lakshmi. Deepavali word derives two terms, which means deep, which means light, and Aravali, which means rose, and it implies a rose of lights. The Hindu celebrates Diwali on the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya with his brother Lakshman and her wife Sita after 14 years of exile and defeating Ravan after fierce and a terrible fight. Diwali reminds us that we should be kind towards others and have a patience while waiting for a positive results. Diwali traditionally associated with a crackers which being set off, but is it really necessary? No, is it not? Because we can celebrate Diwali also by staying at home and have a delicious dinner with our friends and family. Because due to the explosion of crackers, many harmful gases are discharged, which is very harmful for the animals and persons also. So please avoid crackers. In last, I want to say that whatever you are physically, male or a female, strong or a weak, ill or a healthy, all those things matter less than what your heart contains. If your soul have a warrior, you are a warrior. All those things are in the glass that contains the lamp, but you are the light inside. In last, I want to say that please avoid crackers as much as you can. In place of bursting crackers, you can distribute chocolates and clothes to the poor peoples who are needed of that. And thank you. Happy Diwali. Be safe.
Good morning to one and all, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Arpan from class 7A, admission number 5482. One of the popularly celebrated festivals in India is Diwali. Diwali is known as the festival of lights. Every year Diwali is celebrated with great pomp, but this year the celebrations are not likely to be grand and exquisite due to the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. Since coronavirus transmission fear is far from over, all physical distancing norms are in place.
Last month, the government has released some COVID-19 guidelines for festive season, where it urged people to follow COVID-19 guidelines. Melas and other activities which led crowding should be avoided. Instead of visiting friends and relatives' house to wish Diwali, we can contact to them through video conferencing and wish them Diwali. Keeping in view the current situation of increasing air pollution, we should avoid bursting crackers and celebrate Diwali by decorating our home by lights and diyas. Wishing you all a happy and safe Diwali.
Good evening everyone, this is Arshita from class 6A, admission number 5034, house north. Wish you a very happy Diwali and safe Diwali. Thank you everyone.
Happy Diwali, safe Diwali, thank you.
Good morning dear teachers, my name is Shrishti Kumari. I am studying in class 6, section A. My admission number is 6499. This is my dear decoration. Happy Diwali to all of you. Thank you.
Wish you a very happy and safe Diwali.
Wishing you all to happy Diwali. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you.